My dear students and parents, in this video we are going to learn how to find the volume and curved surface area of the cone. In the chapter surface areas and volumes, in the subject mathematics to the 9th Cbse students, it is also very useful to 10th Cbse, plus 1 Cbse and plus 2 Cbse students because of the basic concepts I am going to say in this video. By God's grace, my educational videos are available in YouTube to 9th Cbse, 10th Cbse, plus 1 Cbse and plus 2 Cbse, NEET and IIT students in the subjects mathematics, physics, chemistry, zoology and botany in English language. What is the sum? A heap of wheat is in the form of cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and the height is 3 meter. Find its volume. It is the first question. The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect from the rain. Find the area of the canvas required. It is the second question asked. What is the given data? The given data are diameter of the conical shaped heap of wheat, that is D equal to 10.5 meter. From this we can find the radius of the conical shaped heap of wheat, that is R equal to 10.5 by 2 meter. If we want to remove the decimal, we can multiply the numerator and the denominator by 10, so that we will get the radius R equal to 105 by 20. If we simplify, we will get radius R equal to 21 by 4 meter. The other data given is height of the conical heap, that is h equal to 3 meter. What is the formula to find the volume of the cone? The formula to find the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. On seeing this formula, we understand that we have seen somewhere this formula, that is pi r square h. Where we have seen this formula? This is the formula of the volume of the cylindrical shape. From that formula we have derived the formula for the volume of the cone. How? Suppose we are taking two vessels. One is conically shaped vessel, the another is cylindrically shaped vessel. The radius of the circular base of both vessels, that is conical shaped and cylindrical shaped, should be same. Not only the radius of the circular base should be same, but also the vertical height of the cone and the height of the cylinder should also be same. If that be the case, we can find the volume of the cone from the volume of the cylinder. If we take sand or water in the conically shaped vessel and pour it into the cylindrical vessel, it will fill the cylindrical vessel up to certain level. If we pour the water or sand the second time, it will also occupy in the cylindrical vessel. If we pour the sand or water third time, the cylindrical vessel will be completely filled. It means that the volume of the cylinder is 3 times of the volume of the cone. In other words, the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 times of the volume of the cylinder. So that we are writing the formula for the volume of the cone as capital V equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. There is only one equation. In this equation, there are 5 data. In the left side, there is only one data. In the right side, there are 4 data. Of these 4 data, the 2 are constants. That is 1 by 3 and pi. So that I put the tick mark to 1 by 3 and pi. The remaining 2 are radius and height. I have already told in my previous videos so many times that we can find the value of only one data, that is only one unknown data from one equation, subject to the condition if we know the values of all other data. In this case, we are going to find the volume of the cone. So that I put the question mark. So if we know the radius and height, we can find the volume of the cone. Here the radius is obtained as 21 by 4 meter and the height is given as 3 meter. So if we substitute the radius as 22 by 4 and the height as 3, we will get the volume of the conical shaped heap of wheat. For the calculation and for simplification, you can refer the board. So the volume obtained is, that is the volume of the conical shaped heap of the wheat is obtained as 86.625 meter cube. Then the second question is, find the area of the canvas required. That is the curved surface area of the conical shaped canvas is asked. So what is the formula for the curved surface area of the cone? The formula for the curved surface area of the cone is pi r L. In this equation, how many data? There are 4 data. In the left side, only one data, that is curved surface area. In the right side, we are having 3 data. Of these 3 data, one is constant, that is pi. So the remaining 2 data are radius and the slant height. Slant height, not the vertical height. We are knowing the radius because the radius is given as 21 by 4 meter. As already told, from one equation we can find the value of only one unknown data subject to the condition if we know the values of all other data. In this formula, we are knowing radius, but we are not knowing the slant height. Without knowing the slant height, definitely we cannot find the curved surface area of the cone. How can we find the slant height? In the cone, a right angle triangle is formed. In this right angle triangle, this is the vertical height, this is the slant height, this is the radius. We know that as per the Pythagoras theorem, if we know the adjacent side and the opposite side, we can find the value of hypotenuse. What is the formula to find the hypotenuse? As per the Pythagoras theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. Here the adjacent side is radius, the opposite side is vertical height. We know the value of radius and the value of vertical height. So if we substitute the radius as 21 by 4 and the vertical height as 3, we can find the value of slant height square. So if we find, we will get the slant height square as 36.5626. For calculation, you can refer the board. From this, if we square root both sides, we will get the value of L. The value of slant height is obtained as 6.046. Then now again we are writing the formula for the curved surface area of the conical heap. That is C.S.A. equal to pi r/L. The R is given in the sum. Now we have determined the value of L, so that if we substitute the radius as 21 by 4 and the slant height L as 6.046, we can find the curved surface area of the cone. For simplification and for calculation, you can refer the board. Hence the area of the canvas required is 99.75 meter square approximately. My dear students, if this video is really understandable to you, you can share this video with your friends, classmates and relatives. You can also subscribe my channel.